Easter in a Caribbean home just wouldn't be the same without bun and cheese. There's something about the smell, the warm spices, a little sweetness filling the whole kitchen. Today we will be making some hot cross bun. Yes, so go get your yeast and go get your ingredients, because if you can fry dumpling, if you can knead flour, you can make bun. So into this container, I have half cup of water, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2¼ teaspoon yeast. You're going to mix it up, let it sit for 5 minutes until the yeast does its thing. When it looks frothy like that, then you know it's time. Now you're going to pour it in a bowl and you're going to put your dry ingredients. Gather all of your spices, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, your allspice, a little toops of ginger, and then you're going to add some melted butter. And this was about 3 cups of flour. And you can add your fruits of your choice. If you feel to add cherry or just raisins, do what you want to do. It's your kitchen. Let it all combine like a dough, but don't overmix it. Just let it combine nice, just like that. I know typically we know the measurements as Caribbean girls, but when it comes on to baking, you have to try the measurements because you want to get it right. After the dough is combined like that, you're gonna put some flour on your clean surface, whether you want to clean your countertop, and you use it, and you're just gonna knead it in gently. When everything combined and your dough look like that, nice and soft, then you add a little olive oil to the bowl, spin him around, cover him up, let him sit on your stove top or somewhere warm for 1 hour. See that? You're going to punch it and you're going to release the air. That's the yeast. It doubled in size. Now it's time to cut into sizes. You can determine how big you want your hot cross bun. With this, I got about 8 buns or maybe 6 buns, but I could have gotten 12 buns. So you choose how you want to do yours. Have you tried making hot cross buns before? And guess what? Stay tuned, because I will also be doing the Jamaican spice bun version. So I'm sure you don't want to miss that video. So make sure you follow, subscribe, like, save this video, share this video. So you're going to use your hand motion like this to fall them neatly into balls. Put them into your grease, or maybe you can line it with parchment paper while you're preheating the oven. But you also have to let this rise also for maybe another half an hour or so. So you cover them up, put them one side, and then you're going to work on your paste. I just added a little water with flour, create a paste, put it in a Ziploc bag, cut the end and pipe them, put cross on it. Them say I add cross bun, so me just put the cross, make it look like a cross bun. When it's all done baking about 30 minutes, ooh, the bun them nice. I glaze it with a little bit of jam and a little bit of water. How much of these buns we should send to you?